Can you pick a cube of ice without touching it? Let's find out in this video. In this activity, we will see if we can lift an ice cube without touching it. So for this activity, we need a piece of string, ice, water and common salt. We will put this ice cube in this bowl of water. We shall lay the string on the ice cube and sprinkle some salt on it and wait for a few seconds. After a few seconds, we will pick up the string and we see that the ice sticks to the string. How does this happen? We know that salt decreases the freezing point of water. When we lay the string on the ice cube and sprinkle some salt on it, it lowers the freezing point of the ice. The salt melts small parts of the ice and falls to the bottom of the glass and dissolves. After the salt melts small portions of the ice is still cold, so it freezes the liquid water on the top of the ice and around the piece of the string. And that's why you are able to lift the ice cube using the string without touching it.
And if you want to know how the bottom of the slinky spring levitates in mid-air, click here to find out and click here to subscribe.